ॐ शुक्लां भरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये. Somebody has to go on mute. I don't know who it is.
Oh, that's me. Sorry.
ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करभावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः अगजानन पद्मार्कं गजाननमहर्निशम् अनेकदन्तं भक्तानाम् एकदन्तमुपास्महे श्रीमहागणपतये नमः। गुरवे सर्वलोकानां विषजे भवरोगिणां निधये सर्वविद्यानां श्रीदक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। अस्मद्गुरुचरणारविन्दाभ्यां नमः। वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं ज्ञानानन्दमयं देवं निर्मलस्फटिकाकृतिम् आधारं सर्वविद्यानां श्रीहयग्रीवमुपास्महे श्रीहयग्रीवमूर्तये नमः। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारंभं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा श्रीमहासरस्वत्यै नमः। उमाकोमलहस्ताब्ज सम्भावितललाटकं हिरण्यकुण्डलं वन्दे कुमारं पुष्करस्वजं वेट्रिवेल् मुरुगनुक्कु हर हरोहरा लोकवीरं महापूज्यं सर्वरक्षाकरं विभुं पार्वती हृदयानन्दं शास्तारं प्रणमाम्यहम्। स्वामिये शरणमय्यप्पा वागर्तापिव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्तप्रतिपत्तये जगदपितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ श्रीपार्वती परमेश्वराभ्यां नमः। कोमलं पूजयन् वेणुं श्यामलोऽयं कुमारकः वेदवेद्यं परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। अस्मद्गुरुचरणारविन्दाभ्यां नमः। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे श्रीनाथ नारायण वासुदेव श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे श्रीनाथ नारायण वासुदेव श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे श्रीनाथ नारायण वासुदेव। पीताम्बरं करविराजितचक्रसङ्गकौमोदकी सरसिजं करुणासमुद्रं राधासहायम् अतिसुन्दरमन्दहासं वातालयेशम् अनिशं हृदि भावयामि। कृष्णो रक्षतु मां चराचरगुरुः कृष्णं नमस्ये सदा कृष्णेनैव सुरक्षितो मससकृत् कृष्णाय धत्तं हनः। कृष्णादेव समुद्भवो मम विभो कृष्णस्य दासोऽस्म्यहं कृष्णे भक्तिरचञ्चलास्तु भगवन् हे कृष्ण तुभ्यं नमः। श्रीगुरुवायुरप्पा शरणम्। नम्राणां सन्निधत्ते सततमपि पुरस्तैरनभ्यर्थितानपि अर्थान् कामानजस्रं वितरति परमानन्दसान्द्रां गतिं च इत्थं निःशेषलभ्यो निरवधिकफलः पारिजातो हरे त्वं क्षुद्रं तं शक्रवाटी द्रुममभिलषति व्यर्थमर्त्यव्रजोऽयं। श्रीगुरुवायुरप्पा शरणम्। श्रीभट्टपादम् अनिशं हृदि भावयामि। वंशी विभूषितकरात् नवनीरधाभात् पीताम्बरात् अरुणबिम्बफलाधरोष्टात् पूर्णेन्दुसुन्दरमुखात् अरविन्दनेत्रात् कृष्णात् वरं किमपि तत्त्वमहं न जाने। കൈരണ്ടും കൂപ്പി ഞാൻ ബിന്ദുമീറക്കുന്നു നീരജലോചന നിന്നോടായി ഏതീനു മഞ്ഞനെ കുമ്പിടേണ്ടാത്തോരു രീതിയിൽ നീ എന്നെ പാലിക്കുന്നായി. കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ ജയ കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ ജയ Krishna Hare Jaya Krishna Hare. Okay, everybody. So today, on the last week, we finished chapter 30, the second 30, the Vamana Avataram. The Avataram happened in 30, and we did 2 stanzas of 31. So today we will finish 31, which is the Bali Vidvamsanam. And then if we have time, we'll go to 32, which is the Matsyavataram. So like in the last time, Chonnamari, everything pretty much now is all the remaining avatars is what is left for us, right? So we'll do Vamana Avataram, Matsya Avataram, then we have Rama Avataram, Parshuram Avataram, Krishna Avataram, and then only then 3 more chapters towards the end. So இன்னைக்கு வந்து we'll have so Ammu Chechi, can you, is Janaki on? Yeah, Janaki is on. So can Ammu Chechi? Yeah.
I have not practiced. Can I
practiced?
do the? Sorry.
Okay, Satya, you practice in your 30th. Okay, so Satya and Ammu Chechi, you both can do 30, and then Uma and Kashyap, you guys do 31. Okay. All right.
Should I go?
Yeah.
Shakrena sanyati hatopi balir mahatma Shukrena jivita tanukratu varditoshpa Vikrantiman bayanilina suram triloki Chakre vashe satava chakramukad abitaha Putrarti darshana vashad aditir vishanna Tam kashyapam nijapatim sharanam prapanna Tvatpujanam taduditam hi payo vratakyam sa dvadashaham acharatvayi bhakti purna tasya vadau tvayi nilina matera mushyaha shyamaschaturbuja vapusvayam avirasihi namram chatamiha bhavattannayo bhaveyam gopyam adikshanamiti pralapannayasihi Tvam kasyape tapasi sannidadattadani praptosi garbhamadite branuto vidatra prasuta cha prakata vaishnava divya rupam sadvadashi shravana punyadine bhavantam punyashramam tamabhivashyati pushpavashaihi harshakule suragane kritaturya goshe Padvanjalim jaya jayeti nutaf pitrubhyam Tvam takshane patutamam vaturupa adaha
Vaturupam Adhaha
Vaturupamadaha Tavat prajapati mukair upaniyamaunji Danda jina shavalayadibir archyamanaha Dedipyamana vapurisha kritaknikaryaha Tvam prastita baligriham prakritashvamedam.
Yes, or in the Dedipyamana Vapurisha Kritagnikaryaha.
Okay, that tappa sonina.
And the Vapurisha Seriya Kekle. It sounded
Dedipyamana Vapurisha Kritagnikaryaha Tvam prastita baligriham prakritashvamedam. Gatrena bhavi mahimochita gauravam prak Vyavrinvate vadarani chalayannayasihi Chatram paroshmatiranartam iva dadano Dandam cha danava janeshvivat sannidatum Tam narmadotaratate hayamedashala Ase dushitvairucha tavaruddha netraihi Baswan kimeshadahano sannat kumaro Yogi nuko yamiti shukramukay shashanke Anitamashu brigubir mahasa vibhutaihi Mahasa. Okay. Anitamashu brigubir mahasa vibhutaihi Tvam ramya rupam asuraf pulaka vritangaha Bhaktya sametya sukriti parinijya padau Tatto yaman vadrita murdani tirtha tirtham Praklada vamsha jataya kratubidvijeshu Vishvasato nutaditam divichopi lebe Yatte padambu girishasya shiro bilalyam Sattvam vibho guru puralaya palayetaha
Very good, Satya. And the stanza 3, for example, and the second line, Swayamavi Rasihi, the last
Inga?
Pralapanna Yasihi. So it sounds like you're saying Kutti Si instead of Si. It is Sihi. It's a long C, right?
So Avi
Sanskrit is a C.
Rasihi.
So it's like Shyamas Chatur Bhujavapu Swayamavi Rasihi.
Oh, na C sorry, na Sihi.
You are saying it as Sihi instead of
Okay,
Sihi.
Sihi. Oh,
Yeah.
okay, okay.
So just be careful when it's ending with
Okay,
it.
okay, okay, okay.
Yeah, that's all.
Okay.
I start?
Yeah.
Krishna. Shakrena samyadihato bibalirmahatma Shukrena jivitatanu praduvardidoshma Vikrantiman bayanilina suram trilokim Chakre vashe satava chakramugadavidaha Putrarti darshanavachadadidirvishanna Tam kashyapam nijapadim sharanam prapanna Tvatpujanam taduditam hi payovradakyam Sadvadashahamajarat tvayi bhakti purna Tasyavadhau tvayi nilinamateramisyaha Shyamasthadurbujababu swayamavirasihi Namram chatamiha bhavattanayo bhaveyam Gopyam madikshanamidi pralabannayasihi Tvam kashype tapasi sannidhatattadanim Praptosi garbhamadide pranudo vidatra Pasutaja prakada vaishnava divya rupam Sadvadasi sravana punya dine bhavantam Punyashramam tamabhivarshadi pushpavarshaihi Hashakule suragane Hridaturya khoshe Vadvanjalim jaya jayeti nuda pidribhyam Tvam tachane padudamam vaduryupamadhaha Tavat prajapati mukhairupaniyamaunji danda jinaksha valayadi pirathyamanaha Dedipyamanavapurisa Hridatmikaryaha Tvam prastida baligraham pragridashvametham Gatrena pavi mahimochita gauravam prak Vyavrinvate vadaranim chalayannayasihi Chatram paroshmatiranartamivadathano Dandam chadanavajane shivasannidadum Tam narmadottaratade hayamethashalam Ase dushitvayiruja tavaruddhanetraihi Vaswan kimeshadahano nusanat kumaro Yogi nukoyamidi shukramukhay shashanke Anitamashu brigubermahasa vibudaihi Tvam jamya rupamasuryapulagavridangaha Hatya samitya sugridi parinijya padau Tatto yamanyajridamurdani tirtha tirtam Prahlada vamsajadaya kradubirvijeshu Vishwasadonu tadidam vidichopi lephe Yatte padam bugirisasya shirophilalyam Sattvam vibho guru puralaya palayethaha
Very good. Okay. So we did the last time 31 chapters. We did the first 2 stanzas. So I'll just chant that and then we'll go to stanza 3. Prithya dhaityah tavatanu prekshanat sarvatapi tvamahadhyanajita vachayananjalam sanjagada mattakim te samabhilashitam viprasuno vadatvam vittam bhaktam bhavanamavanim vapi sarvam pradase thamakshinham bhaligiramupakarnya karunya purnopi अस्योत्सेकं शमयितुमना दैत्यवंशं प्रशंसन् भूमिं पादत्रयपरिमितां प्रार्थयामासिदत्वं सर्वं देहि तु निगदिते कस्य हास्यं न वा स्यात् So where we ended last time, if you remember, was so Bhagavan takes the avataram as Vamana, as a Brahmanan, and then he goes to the Ashwamedha Yagam that King Mahabali is performing. So Mahabali has performed 99 Ashwamedha Yagam, and this is his 100th Yagam that he's performing. And once he performs this, then he'll be the king of the whole world and everything. So then when he goes there, and then Bali asks, what do you want? Ask me anything, right? You can ask me anything you want. So then in the previous stanza, right, that's where it says, Bhumim Padatraya Parimita, where God says, just give me a land which is only enough to cover 3 of my feet. 3 foot of land, 3 feet of land is all the God asks, right? And that's how we ended the second stanza. So third one. Vishvesham mam tripadamiha kim yachase bhalishastvam sarvam bhumim vrinu kimamune tyalapatvam sadhripyan yasmad dharpad tripada paripurtya kshamaha kshepavadhan bandham chasa vagamat atadharhopi ghado pashanti. So here, so when the God says, just give me 3 feet, right? So Mahabali says, Vishvesham Mam. So Mam Vishvesham. He says, I am the ruler of the 3 worlds. I have the entire world under my control, right? So Kim Yachase, how can you come to me, right, and say that Tripadamiha, that you only want 3 feet of land, right? I'm the king of the whole world. It's like you're insulting me by just asking me only for 3 feet of land, right? And then it says, Balishahatvam, saying you are like a kid, you are like somebody who doesn't know anything, right? Because I gave you all these choices, and then you're just asking for 3 feet of land. So you're just a very simple person who doesn't know anything in this world. So it says, Kim Amuna, what is the purpose of just asking for 3 feet of land, right? That's how he says that when Sarvam Bhumim Brinu, when you could have asked for everything in this world, right? And then Sadripyan, he said very proudly. So that's what he says. Bali says, says very proudly, I have the whole world. And then you are the simpleton who just comes and asks me for 3 feet of land. So here the second part, Bhattacharya says, Yasma Dharpat, right? So he says the pride that Bali had, right? So Bali was so proud of himself that he was the king and he had all this. This pride of Bali, Paripurti Akshamaha. So this pride of his was what resulted in him not being able to fulfill, right? So Purti Panna Mudile, Paripurti Akshamaha, Tripada. So he could, because of this pride, he could not eventually, right, later on, he will not be able to fulfill that ask that the boy did, right? And then Shepavadan, so then Bandham, so that because of that, Bali gets ridiculed eventually, that, all these things, but you can't give what the boy is asking for. It's all because of the pride that Bali actually had. So, and then Bhattacharya says, Atadarha api aso agamat ghado pashanti. He says, in this case, Bhattacharya says, now Bali is a very staunch devotee of the Lord, but he did not deserve this thing. But the only reason this happened to Mahabali was so that he could actually get detachment from all his possessions. Now Bali thought he had everything and he had the pride, so to detach him from all the possessions, that's the only way to reach the Lord. So that is why this kind of thing was enacted upon Bali, and then he eventually got insulted that he cannot do it. That is to kind of get the complete detachment. That was the purpose of the whole story itself. So first line, Vishvesham Mam Tripadam Iha Kim. So you can put a comma there. Vishvesham Mam Tripadam Iha Kim, comma, Yachase Balishastvam, comma, Sarvam Bhumim Vrinu, comma, Kimamunet Yala Patwam Sadripyan. Kim Amunet, so Kimamunet Yala Patwam Sadripyan. You can say that continuously. So repeat, and Uma, you first pongo, and then Kashyap, you go after that. So, Vishvesham Mam Tripadamiha Kim Yachase Bhalishastvam Sarvam Bhumim Vrinu Kimamune Tyalapatvam Sadripyan.
Vishvesham Mam Tripadamiha Kim Yachase Bhalishastvam सर्वां भूमिं वृणु किममुनेत्यालपत्वां सदृप्यन् विश्वेशं मां त्रिपदमिह किं याचसे बालिशस्त्वं सर्वां भूमिं वृणु किममुनेत्यालपत्वां सदृप्यन्
विश्वेशं मां त्रिपदमिह किं याचसे बालिशस्त्वं सर्वां भूमिं वृणु किममुनित्यालपत्वां सदृप्यन् विश्वेशं मां त्रिपदमिह किं याचसे बालिशस्त्वं सर्वां भूमिं वृणु किममुनित्यालपत्वां सदृप्यन्.
And the question, the first time is tripadam, the dh. Okay, in case you're calling English, it is d, dh, tripadam. Next line. Yasmat dharpat, anga double irukum dadu, comma, yasmat dharpat, comma, tripada paripurtyakshamaha, comma, tripada paripurtyakshamaha, comma, kshepavadan, comma, bandham chasa vagamat. Anga there you can just break it up. So bandham chasa vagamat atadarhopi ghadopashantye. So on the bandham chasa vagamat you can just pause there and then say atadarhopi ghadopashantye. So Sanskrit book will see a da there, so you can break it up into it and then a. So yasmat dharpat tripada paripurtyakshamaha kshepavadan bandham chasa vagamat atadharhopi ghadopashantye.
यस्माद्धर्पात् त्रिपदपरिपूर्त्यक्षमः क्षेपवादान् बन्धं चासावगमद अतदर्पोऽपि गाढोपशान्त्यै यस्माद्धर्पात् त्रिपदपरिपूर्त्यक्षमः क्षेपवादान् बन्धं चासावगमद अतदर्पोऽपि गाढो
atadharhopi ghadopashantye.
Okay. बंधम चासावगमद अतर्दहोपिया अतदर्होपि
yeah atadharhopi
बंधम चासावगमद अतदर्होपि गाढोपशान्त्यै.
Rajesh, a question. In the first line, paripurtya kshama ksheban soliklamala kshamaha chalunamanga.
See, if you're saying it continuously,
together,
then you can put a small x in between. But generally, even Vishnu Sahasranam, the ksha vandadunaka minnadi visarganda, you generally end up saying it.
Oh.
And the Vishnu Sahasranam rendu moonu edathula vandu pathina the ksha mindha edathula visarganda, they end up saying it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Should I say it one more time or?
No, you're fine.
यस्माद्दर्पात् त्रिपदपरिपूर्त्यक्षमः क्षेपवादान् बन्धं चासावगमद् अतदर्होऽपि गाढोपशान्त्यै यस्माद्दर्पात् त्रिपदपरिपूर्त्यक्षमः क्षेपवादान् बन्धं चासावगमद् अतदर्होऽपि गाढोपशान्त्यै.
It's da. If it's English, if it says dh, then fix it. It is da. Ghadopashantye. Okay, there's no h there. Okay. Next. Stanza 4. Padatrayya yadina mudito vishtapairnapi tushyet ityuktesmin varada bhavate dhatu kame tatoyam daityacharya tava kalu parikshartinah preranatam mamadheyam harirayamiti vyaktam eva bhabhashe. So So this, so the Bhagavan says, Bali says, you can ask whatever you want, right? So the God then says, Yadina muditaha, if Padatraya Yadina muditaha. So if someone is not satisfied with just 3 feet of land, right, of getting that, right, Vishtapai na api, even by getting the entire world, right, na tushyet, even that person will not be satisfied. Yes, 3 feet of land is sufficient. In the 3 feet, is satisfied. If I'm not satisfied, the rest of the giving me the rest of the world itself is not going to be. It's not going to satisfy me. Iti ukte asmin. So having said that to Bali, what Bali then does is bhavate dhatu kame atat toyam. So startingly, if you remember from chapter 30, so Bali, he offers water and then welcomes and everything. So here, before offering something to a Brahmin, they put the water, right? So having heard all this, Bali says, okay, that's fine. If that's all you want, I'm ready to do it. And then bhavate dhatu kame atat toyam. So at that time, Bali was about to put the water as an offering before he actually gives the 3 feet of land to the god. So then the next stanza here, Tavakalu parikshartina, parikshanam pandradhukku. So to test, right? So because here the god wanted to test Bali's sincerity, so to parikshanam, to give him a test, right? Preranath, by the prompting of the Lord, Daitya Acharya, the Acharya of the Daityas, which is Shukracharya, Vyaktam eva bhavashe. So he tells Bali very clearly, in a very clear manner, Tam mama dheyam, right? Do not give him this, right? Harihi I am iti. This person is actually indeed Hari. This is indeed Vishnu, right? So on the detailed story, Patanaka, Shukracharya pulls Bali aside and says, hey, you know what? He's come here to trick you, right? This is not an ordinary boy. This is indeed Hari. This is indeed Vishnu. And then if you listen to what he says, then he's ended up going to take all your power away, and then you will then become weaker to Indra. So Shukracharya says, don't do it here, right? And here Bhattacharya says, this indeed was done as a prompting of the god. The god indeed is prompting Shukracharya to go test Bali, to see what Bali actually does, right? To see, test his sincerity. So here, Padatraya Yadina Mudito, comma, Vishtaphair Napi Tushyet. So in the Sanskrit, Tushye Dityek Tusmin 2 line la potrpa. So you can break it into Vishtaphair Napi Tushyet it. So na Tushyet will not be satisfied. Next line, we make it E. So iti ityuktesmin varada. So having said thus, right? Iti ukta asmin. So ityuktesmin varada. So on the D, make it into it in the previous line and E in the next line. So ityuktesmin varada, comma, bhavate dhatu kameta toyam. So padatraya yadina mudito vishtaphair napi tushyet ityuktesmin varada bhavate dhatu kameta toyam.
Padatraya yadina mudito vishtapaiर्नापि तुष्येत इत्युक्तेऽस्मिन् वरद भवते धातु कामे ततोऽयम्. पादत्रया यदिन मुदितो विष्टपैर्नापि तुष्येत इत्युक्तेऽस्मिन् वरद भवते धातु कामे ततोऽयम्.
पादत्रयायादिनमुदितो विष्टपैर्नापि तुष्येत इत्युक्तेऽस्मिन् वरद भवते धातुकामे ततोऽयम्. पादत्रयाय यदिन
Hold on. Padatraya. Traya. So Traiya. Padatraya.
पादत्रया यदिनमुदितो विष्टपैर्नापि तुष्येत इत्युक्तेऽस्मिन् वरद भवते धातुकामे ततोऽयम्.
Yeah. Next line. Daityacharyaha. Anga is irukum. You can make it put a visarga there. Daityacharyaha. And just pause there, comma. Thava kalu parikshartinah visarga irukku preranatham. Next lines you can put a small if in between. So tava kalu parikshartinah preranatham, comma mama deyam harirayam iti, comma vyaktam eva bhabhashe. दैत्याचार्यः कामा तव खलु परीक्षार्थिनः प्रेरणार्थं मामा देयं हरिरयम् इति कामा व्यक्तम् एवा भभाषे. दैत्याचार्यः तव खलु परीक्षार्थिनः प्रेरणार्थं मामा देयं हरिरयम् इति व्यक्तम् एवा भभाषे.
दैत्याचार्यः तव खलु परीक्षार्थिनः प्रेरणार्थं मामादेयं हरिरयमिति व्यक्तमेवा बभाषे. दैत्याचार्यः तव खलु परीक्षार्थिनः प्रेरणार्थं मामादेयं हरिरयमिति व्यक्तमेवा बभाषे.
दैत्याचार्यः तव खलु परीक्षार्थिनः प्रेरणार्थं मामादेयं हरिरयमिति व्यक्तमेवा बभाषे. दैत्याचार्यः तव खलु परीक्षार्थिनः प्रेरणार्थं मामादेयं हरिरयमिति व्यक्तमेवा बभाषे.
So the harirayam iti சொல்ற மாதிரி இருக்கு. It's a small t, not a long t கிடையாது. So mama deyam harirayam iti. Okay, so just stop it short of that. Stanza 5. Yachat evam yadi sa bhagavan purnakамosmi soham dasyameva stiramiti vadan kavya shaptopi daityah vindhyavalya nijadayitaya dattapadhyaya tubhyam chitram chitram sakalamapi sa prarpayattoya purvam. So Shukracharya says don't do that, right? So this Bali replies, and this is kind of shows Bali's his good intentions, right? He says yadi sa bhagavan. So if this is indeed the Lord, right? If this is indeed Lord Vishnu, who has everything he wants, he is the ultimate Lord. So he has all the wealth, he has all the land, everything. Yachati evam. If he is indeed coming to me and asking for something, right? Then purna kamaha asmi. Then that's like I'm like indebted, right? So it means all my desires are getting fulfilled. So purna kamaha asmi. I'm fully happy. All my desires will get fulfilled, right? Aham dasyami eva stiram idi vadan. So stirama. So he's telling it very firmly that absolutely this is indeed Lord who's coming and asking me. I shall give him whatever he wants. Saha daityaha, that asura. What happens? Kavya here is referring to Shukracharya. Kavya Shaptaka, he curses curses Bali, because Bali now goes against his words and says, let it be the Lord. But if the Lord indeed is coming and asking me, I am actually then benefiting, so I'm okay giving whatever he wants. I'm not going to listen to you, right? So Aditya Shukracharya then curses Mahabali. So Shukracharya eventually curses him, saying that you're going to lose everything, which is what is anyway going to be happening, right? Shukracharya will say you lose everything. So then Datta Padhyaya Tubhyam. So and the water which was actually used to wash the feet of the Lord, right? So they do that by Vindhyavalya. Vindhyavalya is name of Mahabali's wife. So Nija Daitaya. So that Nija Daitaya is that Asura's wife. So Vindhyavalya. So Sakalam api Prarpaye. So they offer everything to the Lord, right? And then Toya Purvam. So then the Vettalai Pakala and the formality, right? So they kind of offer all the things and then Toya Purvam and finally put that drop of water on the plate, signifying that I'm going to give you everything you are asking for. So both he and his wife offer that together to the Lord against the wishes of Shukracharya. So in the stanza, so Yachat Yevam Yadisa Bhagavan, comma, Purna Kamosmi Soham, comma, Dasyam eva stiram iti vadan, comma, Kavya Shaptopi Daityaha. So no changes to that. Okay? So yachatyevam yadi sa bhagavan purnakamoऽस्मि soham dasyam eva stiramiti vadan kavyashaptopi dhaityah.
याच्यत्येवं यदि स भगवान् पूर्णकामोऽस्मि सोऽहं दास्यं येव
Dasyam.
स्थिरमिति
Dasyam.
दास्यां येव स्थिरमिति वदन् काव्यशब्दोऽपि दैत्यः याच्यत्येवं यदि स भगवान् पूर्णकामोऽस्मि सोऽहं दास्यां येव स्थिरमिति वदन् काव्यशब्दोऽपि दैत्यः
याचत्येवं यदि स भगवान् पूर्णकामोऽस्मि सोऽहं दास्याम्येव स्थिरमिति वदन् काव्यशब्दोऽपि दैत्यः याचत्येवं यदि स भगवान् पूर्णकामोऽस्मि सोऽहं दास्याम्येव स्थिरमिति वदन् काव्यशब्दोऽपि दैत्यः.
The second line, Kashyap, dasyam eva stiramiti vadan. Dasyam eva kapran, just add another like or extension, right? Then it will land properly. So yachat evam yadi sa bhagavan purna kamosmi soham dasyam eva stiramiti vadan. Okay, kavya shabdo pidhaityah. Next line. Vindya valya nija daitaya, comma datta padhyaya tubhyam, comma chitram chitram. So chitram chitram here is like, oh, how wonderful that they did this, right? So kind of a praise. So chitram chitram, comma sakalam apisa prarpayat toya purvam. Prarpayat toya purvam. Kutita and a long ta. So vindya valya nijadayitaya datta padhyaya tubhyam chitram chitram sakalamapi sa prarpayat toya purvam.
विन्ध्यावल्या निजदैतया दत्तपाध्याय तुभ्यं चित्रं चित्रं सकलमपि स
Prarpayat toya purvam.
Okay.
Prarpayat toya purvam.
विन्ध्यावल्या निजदैतया दत्तपाध्याय तुभ्यं चित्रं चित्रं सकलमपि स प्रार्पायतोयपूर्वम् विन्ध्यावल्या निजदैतया दत्तपाध्याय तुभ्यं चित्रं चित्रं सकलमपि स सकलमपि स कपरम गैप இருக்கா ஒரு pause இருக்கா
கண்டிப்பா சொல்லிக்கலாம் பட் நீங்க அந்த prarpayatல I don't know what the challenge is. Prarpayat toya purvam. Prar P-R-A-R. Prarpayat toya purvam.
Okay.
Rajesh, அந்த சஃப்ல HF இருக்கு அந்த மாதிரி அந்த because நீ பீக்கு முன்னாடி you said
அங்க விசர்க ஒண்ணுமே இல்லங்க.
So it's just sada, not a saf கிடையாது.
இல்ல.
Okay. चित्रं चित्रं सकलमपि स प्रार्पयत्तोयपूर्वम्.
Correct.
विन्ध्यावल्या निजदैतया दत्तपाध्याय तुभ्यं चित्रं चित्रं सकलमपि स प्रार्पयत्तोयपूर्वं विन्ध्यावल्या निजदैतया दत्तपाध्याय तुभ्यं चित्रं चित्रं सकलमपि स प्रार्पयत्तोयपूर्वम्.
Stanza 6. Nissandeham ditikulapatau tvayashesharpanam tad vyatanvane mumuchurishayah samarah pushpavarsham divyam rupam tavacha thaditham pashyatam vishwabhajam uच्चैः avrutam avadhi kritya vishwandhabhandam. So now Bali and his wife, they go offer everything. So nissandeham, right, without any doubt or hesitation. So So Bali, Ditikulapa, so that Asura king Bali, without Nisandeham, without any doubt or hesitation, right? Tvai Ashesharpanam. So offers everything to the Lord, right? He says, I promise you, and he offers everything to the Lord. Tat Vyatanvane, right? So when that was given, when he officially promises to offer everything to the Lord, the Rishayaha, all the sages, right, and Samaraha, along with all the Devas, Mumuchuhu Pushpa Varsha, they showered flowers on Bali, saying, you know, that it is indeed a great job that you actually did by doing that. The next two lines, so Tat idam Vishwabhajam. Vishwabhajam means referring to the people of all the worlds, full Vishwam, right? What was seen by people of all the worlds. Tat idam Pashyatam, that which was seen by the people of all the three worlds. Divyam Rupam Tava, that divine form, right? Divyam Rupam, that what is the form? The form was of that of a small boy, the Vamana, right? That becomes as a small boy. So that form which was seen by everybody in the whole world, right? Uchchehi Avadrit, that started growing bigger and bigger. When Bali promised it, right? After Bali promises it, Uchchehi Avadrit, it starts growing bigger and bigger, right? So Avadi Kritya, it started going so big that Vishwa Anda Bhandam, so it kind of bent to the size of almost the entire cosmos. That's the size that the body, that form which everybody saw as a small boy, now goes to the size of the entire cosmos. Right? So this is Avataram is also called as the Trivikrama Avataram. So in the Keshava, Narayana, Madhava, Trivikrama, Govind, that's all the names of Lord Vishnu, right? The Trivikrama Avataram is it's a huge size because of the size that the Lord takes when this Avataram actually happens. So again, so Nissandeham Ditikulapatau, comma, Tvaya Sheshar Panam Thad, and you can put a plus there to Vyatanvane. So that because it's continuously saying that everything he had, he was willing to offer to the Lord. So Tvaya Sheshar Panam Tad Vyatanvane, put a comma after Vyatanvane. So Mumuchu Rishaya Samara Pushpavarsham. So after every word there is a Visarga. So Mumuchu Rishaya Samara Pushpavarsham. You can put a is and then if next to that. So Nissandeham Ditikulapatau Tvayashesharpanam Tade Vyatanvane Mumuchu Rishaya Samara Pushpavarsham.
Nissandeham Ditikulapatau Tvayashesharpanam tad Vyatanvane Mumuchu Rishaya Samara Pushpavarsham. Nissandeham Ditikulapatau Tvayashesharpanam tad Vyatanvane Mumuchu Rishaya Samara Pushpavarsham.
Rishayaha Choliklam, but if you are saying it together, Mumucha Rishayaha cover, you can put a small is because it will be Sam. So Mumucha Rishaya Samara Pushpavarsham.
Nissandeham Ditikulapatau Tvayashesharpanam tad Vyatanvane Mumuchu Rishaya Samara Pushpavarsham.
Right.
Nissandeham Ditikulapatau Tvayashesharpanam tat Vyatanvane Mumuchurishaya Samara Pushpavarsham. Nissandeham Ditikulapatau Tvayashesharpanam tat Vyatanvane Mumuchurishaya Samara Pushpavarsham.
Ditikulapatau kapram or pause, right? And then Mumuchu Rishayas. Right, so Mumuchu, instead of saying Mumuchu Rishayaha, just be consistent and put Mumuchu Rishayas, small s, Samara, F there after Samara, Pushpavarsham. Okay. Next line. So Divya.
Rajesh ஒரு நிமிஷம் அந்த அந்த வியாத்தன்வானைக்கு அப்புறம் அந்த மும்முச்சு சொல்லுங்க வந்து மும்முச்சு
மும்முச்சுர் அங்க ஒரு இர் இருக்கு அங்க. Okay. Mumuchur Rishayaha. Yeah, Mumuchur Rishayaha. Mumuchur Rishayaha, right? And the next word is Samaraha, right?
Correct.
So and the Visarga நீங்க சொல்லணும் அப்படி சேர்ந்து சொல்லும்போது when you saying it that the Rishayaha அப்புறம் இருக்க அந்த dot, so you can make it into a small is.
Okay.
and then the samaraha dot you can make it a small if f. So when you're saying it becomes mumuchur rishayas samara pushpavarsham.
Okay, okay. And the ha
சொல்ல வேண்டாம். சேர்ந்து படிக்கும்போது it just joins into becoming a, it takes the next word oda small portion.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, so mumuchur rishayas samara pushpavarsham. Next line, divyam rupam thavacha thadidham comma tavacha thadidham pashyatam vishwabhajam. So end it with vishwabhajam. Take the m from the next line, make it vishwabhajam comma. The next line is Sanskrit la muchair, the m edutittu uchair. Okay, so the next line becomes uchair uchaihi. Make it a visarga there, uchair uchaihi, and put a comma there. So uchair uchaihi abridhavadi. So the abridhavadi, abridhavadi, nariya da irukku and இடத்துல. So one way you can break it is to say avridat avadhikritya, if you want to break it. Okay, avridat avadhikritya. So I'll say it again. So uchair uchaihi, okay, put the visarga there, put a comma, and then say avridat avadhikritya vishwandabhandam. Okay, so I'll say that slowly. So divyam rupam thavacha thadidham pashyatham vishwabhajam uchair uchaihi avridhat avadhikritya vishwandabhandam.
दिव्यं रूपं तव च तदिदं पश्यतां विश्वभाजाम् उच्चैरुच्चैः आवृधदवधिकृत्य विश्वाण्डभाण्डाम्. दिव्यं भाण्डं दिव्यं रूपं तव च तदिदं पश्यतां विश्वभाजाम् उच्चैरुच्चैः आवृधदवधिकृत्य विश्वाण्डभाण्डम्.
दिव्यं रूपं तव च तदिदं पश्यतां विश्वभाजाम् उच्चैरुच्चैः आवृधदवधिकृत्य विश्वाण्डभाण्डम्. दिव्यं रूपं तव च तदिदं पश्यतां विश्वभाजाम् उच्चैरुच्चैः आवृधदवधिकृत्य विश्वाण्डभाण्डम्.
In the chat model, like we said last time, is it is neither that small one nor the large line, so it is kind of in between. Raj சொல்லுங்க.
ஒண்ணும் இல்ல, இந்த திருவிக்ரமா சொன்னேன் இல்லையா, அது வந்து டெம்பிள் வந்து திருவண்ணாமலைக்கு பக்கத்துல இருக்கு, திருக்கோவிலூர்னு பேரு. That's where they have the உலகளந்த பெருமாள். ஒரு கால் வந்து பார்த்தேன்னா ஃபுல்லா ரைட் ஆங்கிள் அப்படி தூக்கிட்டு இருக்கும், இடது கால் மாத்திரம். That's the only temple that you have in that pose that both legs are not on the ground.
So திருவண்ணாமலை பக்கத்துல இருக்காது.
பார்த்தல திருவண்ணாமலை வந்து பார்த்தல to show the supreme Lord Shiva, he is in a fire like Swarupa and Brahma and Vishnu are trying to find hidden feet and the மாதிரி. பக்கத்திலே ஒரு 10 கிலோ 15 மைல்ல திருக்கோவிலூர் ஸ்தலம் இருக்கு, அங்க வந்து உலகளந்த பெருமாள் இருக்கார்.
Okay.
So just wanted to let you know.
Yeah, I didn't know and that இருக்குன்னு சொல்லிட்டு.
I've been to both the temple when I was there.
நம்ம திருவண்ணாமலை போயிருக்கேன், பட் இங்க அது இருக்குன்னு, இந்த கோவில் இருக்குன்னு தெரியல. So stanza 7. त्वत्पादाग्रं निजपदगतं पुण्डरीकोद्भवोऽसौ कुण्डीतोह्यैः आसिषदपुनाद्यज्जलं विश्वलोकान् हर्षोत्कर्षात् सुबहुननुते केचरैः उत्सवेऽस्मिन् बेरीं निघ्नन् भुवनमचरजाम्बवान् भक्तिशाली. So இப்போ வந்து the size, the dot now starts becoming big in size, right? So tvat pada agram, so tvat pada agram, the tip of your feet, right? So the tip of the Lord's feet now, where does it reach? Nija Padagatam. So it reaches where it belongs to, which is Satyaloka. So the God becomes so big in size that the tip of his feet now reaches Satyaloka. So Asau Pundari Kodbhava. Pundari Kodbhava refers to Lord Brahma. So that Brahma now, right? So Kundi Toyahi Asichat. So it refers to the Kamandalu, right? So the water, Kundi Toyam from his Kamandalu. So Kundi Toyahi Asichat. So from the water from his Kamandalam, he washes the Lord's feet, right? The tip of the Lord's feet. So Apunat Yet Jalam. So that water, which now had got purified because it has now touched the Lord's feet, now purified Vishwalokan. That now purifies the whole world. So they are saying this. One other thing is the belief is okay. That's how the Akash Ganga was born, was because of water that flowed from the God's feet. From that, that is one belief, right? So essentially, the size is so big that it reaches that, and Brahma then washes it. So Harshot Karshat. So now everybody who's now seeing this, right? They're all very happy. They're all happy about it. Subhagunanite Kecharaihi. The Kecharaihi refers to the Gandharvas who are normally flying in the air. So all these Gandharvas now get very happy and they start dancing, and Utsavesmin, they start celebrating, right? As if it's an auspicious occasion. So Beri, Nignans, all the drums are getting beaten. And then Bhuvana Macharat, Jambavan, Bhaktishali. So Jambavan, right, here Bhattaripat says when this happens, Jambavan is now also going around, right? So there are certain characters who actually go through multiple avatars, right? So the Jambavan vandu Ramayanathla vara, right? The Jambavan, right, along with Parashuramar and Hanuman, these three people are kind of like Chiranjeevis, right? They have spanned multiple avatars. Right, Parashuramar will come. Parashuramar avatar, he also comes in Rama avataram, which we are going to see. And then Hanuman, of course, comes in both Ramayana, Mahabharata. There's an encounter between Hanuman and Bhima, right? There's an encounter. Adhe mari inge Jambavan is said to have been through Kurma avatarathilu irundirukar. In the Kurma avatar original photos paatha la Jambavan will be there, and then he is also there in Ramayana. He is also there in Vamana avatar. So he says he's just a big devotee of the Lord, right? So essentially, everybody is celebrating, and because the size and the God now has become into a big size. So it's on the Twat Padagram Nija Padagatam, comma Pundari Kod Bavosau, comma then Kundi Toyehi. So you can put a visarga Kundi Toyehi. Next one and the irrukum, and the irra you put a visarga, then you can put a next to it, right? So now it becomes Asichat Apunad Yadjalam. So Asichat Apunad Yadjalam Vishwalokan. So Kundi Toyehi Asichat Apunad. And the Asichat, the A and the Rukumanga, you can say it continuously also, but for saying it in an easy way would be to say Asichat Apunad Yadjalam Vishwalokan. Okay, that is just to kind of say it easily. So Twatpadhagram Nijapadagatam Pundari Kodbavo Sau Kundi Tohi Asijatapunad Yadjalam Vishwalokan.
Twatpadagram Nijapadagatam Pundari Kodbavo Sau Kundi Toyaihi Asijat Apunadhyajalam Vishwalokan. Twatpadagram Nijapadagatam Pundari Kodbhavo Sau Kundi Toyaihi Asijat Apunadhyajalam Vishwalokan.
Correct. You said it correct only, but I'm just saying, and it's a Puna Dya irukku. So you can say Apunad Yadjalam, or you can say Apunad Yadjalam continuous. But you said it correct only. I'm just kind of calling it out.
Tatpadagram Nijapadagatam Pundari Kodbhavosau Kundi Toyaihi Asicatapunad Yadjalam Vishwalokan. Tatpadagram Nijapadagatam Pundari Kodbhavosau Kundi Toyaihi Asichat अपुनाद्यज्जलं विश्वलोकान्.
Yeah. So harshotkarshat, comma, subahu nanruthe kecharaihi. Subahu nanruthe kecharaihi. You can put a visarga there and a comma. Next it becomes utsavesmin. So anga rune irukum illaya, anga rune Sanskrit irundhaka, you can put a visarga kecharaihi, comma, make it utsavesmin, comma, berim nignan, comma, bhuvana machara jambavan bhaktishali. Yeah. So in the line வந்து கொஞ்சம் it's like difficult to in the tune கொஞ்சம் try your best, right? You'll eventually get it. So harshotkarshat subahunanuthe kecharaihi utsavesmin berim nignan bhuvanamachara jambavan bhaktishali.
हर्षोत्कर्षात् सुबहुननृते खेचरैः उत्सवेऽस्मिन् भेरिं निघ्नन् भुवनमचरजाम्बवान् भक्तिशाली. हर्षोत्कर्षात् सुबहुननृते खेचरैः उत्सवेऽस्मिन् भेरिं निघ्नन् भुवनमचरजाम्बवान् भक्तिशाली.
हर्षोत्कर्षात् सुबहुननृते केचरैः उत्सवेऽस्मिन् बेरिन्गन् निघ्नन् भुवनमचरजाम्बवान् भक्तिशाली. हर्षोत्कर्षात् सुबहुननृते केचरैः उत्सवेऽस्मिन् बेरिन्निघ्नन् भुवनमचरजाम्बवान्.
Say it again.
बेरिन्निघ्नन् भुवनमचर.
No. So bhuvana
yeah.
macharaj jambavan bhaktishali. Jambavan is one person's name, right? So jambavan is one word. So it's bhuvana macharat jambavan, but when you change the padikkumbodhu, that it becomes a kutti ja, that's all. So beri nignan, comma, bhuvana macharaj jambavan bhaktishali.
Perigninan Bhuvanamachara Jambavan Bhaktishali.
Yeah, say once more.
Harshotkarshat Subahunanrite Kecharaihi Utsavesmin Perignan Bhuvanamachara Jambavan Bhaktishali.
Yeah, right. So you can just practice and you'll get the flow of that. So next step. Stanza 8. Thavad daityastvonumati bharturarabdha yuddhaha devopetair bhavadanucharaihi sangata bhangamapan khalatmayam vasati purato yadvashat pragjitasmaha kimbo yuddhairiti baligira tetapata samapuhu. So, given when the god now becomes very big, right? So then everybody there who's present there are now really getting amazed, right? And they're stunned. So then what happens is Daityaha, the Asuras who were all present there for the Ashwamedha Yagam for Bali, Anumatim Rite Bhartuhu. So Anumatim, without getting the permission of their master, without going and asking for permission from Bali, those Asuras, Arabda Yuddhaha, they started a war. They started to fight the Lord, right? Arabda Yuddhaha. And then what happens? Bangamapan, they got defeated. The Asuras got defeated by Upetai Bavad Anucharaihi. So the Lord's messengers who then came. So because Asuras started fighting, saying that, okay, they now realized this person has come to help the devas, right? So they all start fighting. So Bavad Anucharaihi, the messengers of the lords then come there, and then they fight against all these asuras, and Bangamapan, and the asuras then get defeated. So looking at this, then Bali says, Kalatmayam Vasati Purato. So Kalatma Ayam. So this person who's standing in front of me is the time incarnate, right? Kalatma Ayam. This is the time incarnate. Vasati Purataha. He's standing in front of me. That's what Bali says, right? Yat Vashat Pragjitasmaha. Yat Vashat. Because of whom Pragjitasmaha. Previously we won, right? So because of whom we had, with whose help, right? Everybody has actually won before. The devas had won before and all that. So the God has helped all these people, and he himself is standing in front. Kim vaha yuddhehi. What is the purpose of even fighting this person, right? Iti Baligraha. So Bali then says that there's no use. The time incarnate itself is standing, and this is the person who has helped everybody win in the past. There's absolutely no use fighting that Lord. Iti Baligraha. Teta Patalam Apuhu. So the asuras then went back to the Patala Loka. So they start fighting the Lord, and then the messengers come, and then Bali says, that's why in the beginning Bhattacharya says, without getting permission from the masters, the asuras start fighting. Then Bali intervenes and says, no need. So that's what happens in stanza 8. So Tavat Daityas Tvanu Matimrite. Tavat Daityas Tvanu Matimrite, comma, Bartur Arabdha Yuddhaha. Bartur Arabdha Yuddhaha. Okay, comma. Devo Petair Bhavat Anucharaihi. Put a visarga there, remove the is there. So Devo Petair Bhavat Anucharaihi, comma, Sangata Bangam Apan. So
Rajesh, the Devo Petai அப்புறம் ஒரு விசர்கா இருக்கு புக்லலாம்.
Devo Petairnu போட்டிருக்கு. அது வந்து விசர்கா ஆமா. So அந்த வந்து sometimes what happens is இருக்கு பதிலா they might have end up putting a விசர்கா. So என்னோட புக்ல வந்து Devo Petairnu இருக்கு. இருக்கு மேல இந்த பாக்கு மேல.
Oh, okay.
So other sometimes some books might have removed that and put a visarga.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
But the actual word Devo Petaihi that, but when they put it together, sometimes they put a ir. And the rules I don't know exactly why they put a ir. So mine has Devo Petair Bhavadanucharaihi.
Okay.
So Tavad Daityas Tvanumatimrite Barturarabdha Yuddhaha Devo Petair Bhavadanucharaihi Sangata Bhangamapan.
Tavad Daityas Tvanu Matimrite.
It small it and va. So Tvanu Matimrite.
Okay. Tavad Daityas Tvanu Matimrite Bharturar Rabdha Devo Paitair Bhavadanucharaihi Sangata Bhangamapan.
Sorry, Uma, one second. நீங்க Bharturar அப்படி சொல்றப்பல இந்த Bhartur Arabdha Yuddhaha. So break it at that Bhartur.
Okay.
Okay. So Tavad Daityas Tvanumatimrite Bhartur Arabdha Yuddhaha. The Arabdam, right? So that is starting. So
okay.
That word Arabdha is one word.
Okay. Tavad Daityas Tvanu Matimrite Bhartur Arabdha Yuddhaha Devo Petair Bhavadanucharaihi Sangata Bhangamapan.
Can you say it one more time?
Yeah. Tavad Daityas Tvanu Matimrite.
Tavanu la Tvanu. It's a small Tvam. The first word Tavad Daityas Tvanu Matimrite. It's a small it and then a va.
Okay.
When you're saying it as Tavanu.
Oh, okay. Tavad Daityas Tvanu Matimrite Bhartur Arabdha Yuddhaha देवोपेतैर्भवदनुचरैः सङ्गता भङ्गमापन्.
Yeah.
No, what's it?
Yes, I want to say one more time. Yeah, please.
तावद्दैत्यास्त्वनुमतिमृते भर्तुरारब्धयुद्धाः देवोपेतैर्भवदनुचरैः सङ्गता भङ्गमापन्.
Yeah.
तावद्दैत्यास्त्वनुमतिमृते भर्तुरारब्धयुद्धः देवोपेतैर्भवदनुचरैः सङ्गता भङ्गमापन्. तावद्दैत्यास्त्वनुमतिमृते भर्तुरारब्धयुद्धः देवोपेतैर्भवदनुचरैः सङ्गता भङ्गमापन्.
Next line. Kalatmayam vasati purato, comma, yadvashat pragjitasmaha, comma, kim vo yuddhair iti baligira, comma, teta patalam apuhu. So there's no change there. So kalatmayam vasati purato yadvashat pragjitasmaha kim vo yuddhair iti baligira theta patadhamapuhu.
कालात् मायं वसति पुरतो यद्वशात् प्राग्चितास्मः किं वो युद्धैरिति बलिगिरा तेथ पातालमापुः. कालात् मायं वसति पुरतो यद्वशात् प्राग्जितास्मः किं वो युद्धैरिति बलिगिरा तेथ पातालमापुः.
कालात्मायं वसति पुरतो यद्वशात् प्राग्जितास्मः किं वो युद्धैरिति बलिगिरा तेथ पातालमापुः. कालात्मायं वसति पुरतो यद्वशात् प्राग्जितास्मः किं वो युद्धैरिति बलिगिरा तेथ पातालमापुः.
Patalam apuhu.
तेथ पातालम् आपुः.
Patalam apuhu. Stanza 9. Pashair baddham patagapatina daityamuchairavadihi tatirikam dishamama padam kimna vishveshwarosi padam murdne pranaya bhagavan ityakampam vadantam prahladastam swayamupagato manayan astavitvam. So here, so then what happens, which Bhattadipat doesn't explicitly say, right, in any of these slokams, but essentially as we know, right, the god becomes bigger and bigger, and then 1 feet he keeps on the entire earth, right, 1 feet covers the earth, and the 2nd feet, then he goes and the Amravati or the heavens where Bali has control, the 2nd feet he goes and keeps on the Amravati, right, and then the god says, okay, the earth is now mine and the Amravati is now mine, the heavens are now mine. So that explicitly Bhattadipat is not saying. He just said in the previous couple of stanzas that the god grew big such that his feet tip went to Satyaloka and he's taken over the heavens, right? So, but in this, what happens here is Pashe Baddham. So they say now Bali is now tied with ropes by Patagapatina, by Garuda. So Garuda now comes and ties Bali, right, with ropes and says, Daityam Uchaihi. So Daityam is Asura, Uchaihi is loudly, right? Avadihi, the Lord asks the Asura in a loud manner, Tati Rikam Disha Mama Padam. So where should I place my 3rd foot, right? I've taken these 2 things, I don't have any more place. So where do I place my 3rd step? Kimna Vishveshwarosi. Didn't you say you were the king of all the worlds, right? Vishveshwarosi, you said you were the king of all the worlds. Now I don't have space. Where do I put my 3rd feet? So then for that Bali says, Padam, your feet, Murdni, right? Murdni Pranaya Bhagavan. So he says, oh Lord, you keep your feet on my head, on my Murdni, on my head. Iti akampam badantam. So he says that without fear, without trembling, right? So Bali says in a very firm voice that you can keep it on my Murdni, you can keep it on my head. So Prahladaha Tvam Swayam Upagataha. So when he says this, Prahlada personally comes there. Prahlada is his grandfather, right? So Prahlada comes there in person, and then Mane, and he praises Bali, and then Astavi Tvam, and then sings praises of the Lord as well. So essentially the God takes both, keep the feet, and he says, third one, where do I keep? Oh Vishweshwarosi, you said you are the king of all the worlds, right? So where do I keep it? He says, Murdni Pranaya Bhagavan. I keep it on my head. That's what happens in 9. So this is the, and the overall chapter important stands are coming in the chapter. This is the main one, right? For which people know Vamanavataram. So in the Pashair Baddam Pata Gapatina, comma, Daityam Uchair Avadihi. So next line is in Sanskrit, you can remove that and put a Visarga. So Daityam Uchair Avadihi, comma, Hatir ekam disha mama padam, comma, kimna Vishweshwarosi. Okay. So Pashair Baddham Patagapatina Daityam Uchairavadihi Tatir ekam disha mama padam kimna Vishweshwarosi.
What's the first word in the second line?
Ta, it becomes Tatir ekam. So if there is a is in the second line, if you have it in your book, Sanskrit, you can remove that is from the second line and make it a Visarga in the first line. Second line becomes Tatir ekam.
Tartir ekam.
Tatir ekam. T-H-A-T-H, Tat, then Tir ekam.
Okay. It's reverse in Tamil. It says Tarti ekam. Is it Tatir ekam?
Yeah, mine has Tatir ekam. I can check the
Even
other.
in English, it says Tarthi Ekam.
Sanskritல கூட
same thing.
பார்த்தி ஈக்கம்னா போட்டிருக்கு.
பார்த்தி ஈக்கம்.
பார்த்தி ஈக்கம்.
ஆமா. தமிழ்லயும் அப்படிதான். பார்த்தி ஈக்கம் தான்.
Right. Okay, my bad. Yeah. Start. Right. That's right. Tarti ekam. Yeah, I said it wrong. Tarti ekam. That's what it is. And the irvandu is after the T. I got confused. So Tarti ekam. Okay. So Pashair Baddham Patagapatinha Daityam Uchairavadihi Tarti ekam dishamama padam kimna Vishweshwarosi.
पाशैर्बद्धं पतगपतिना दैत्यमुच्चैरवादीः तार्तीकं दिश मम पदं किं न विश्वेश्वरोऽसि. पाशैर्बद्धं पतगपतिना दैत्यमुच्चैरवादीः तार्तीकं दिश मम पदं किं न विश्वेश्वरोऽसि.
पाशैर्बद्धं पतगपतिना दैत्यमुच्चैर्वदावादिः.
Daityam avadihi. If you're saying muchair, you should say avadihi.
दैत्यमुच्चैरवादिः तार्तीकं दिश मम पदं किं न विश्वेश्वरोऽसि. पाशैर्बद्धं पतगपतिना दैत्यमुच्चैरवादिः तार्तीकं दिश मम पदं किं न विश्वेश्वरोऽसि.
After Patagapatina, just pause a little, okay? Next line. Padam Murdni Pranaya Bhagavan. You can pause there. Bhagavan Ityakampam Vadantam. So Sanskrit double N potrupa because they've joined those two words, right? So Bhagavan Ityakampam Vadantam. iti akampam. Akampam is without trembling. So ityakampam, Bhagavan pause, comma, ityakampam vadantam, comma, prahladastam swayam upagato, comma, manayan astavitvam. Manayan astavitvam. So padam murdni pranaya bhagavan ityakampam vadantam prahladastam swayam upagato manayan astavitvam.
पादं मूर्ध्नि प्रणय भगवन् इत्यकम्पं वदन्तं प्रह्लादस्तं स्वयमुपगतो मानयन् अस्तवित्वाम् पादं मूर्ध्नि प्रणय भगवन् इत्यकम्पं वदन्तं प्रह्लादस्तं स्वयमुपगतो मानयन् अस्तवित्वाम्
पादं मूर्ध्नि प्रणय भगवन् इत्यकम्पं वदन्तं प्रह्लादस्त्वं स्वयमुपगतो मानयन्नस्तवीत्वं पां पादं मूर्ध्नि प्रणय भगवन् इत्यकम्पं वदन्तं प्रह्लादस्त्वं स्वयमुपगतो
Prahladastam
स्वयमुपगतो मानयन्नस्तवीत्वाम्.
Last answer. Darpochityai vihitamakhilham daitya siddhosi punyaihi lokastestu tridiva vijayi vasavatvam cha paschad matsayujyam bhajasa punaretyanva grinha balim tam viprai santanitamakavaraha pahi vatah hesha. So the last one, so it says, so Bihitam Akilam. So after everything was done, Darpa Uchittaihi. So like we said before, right? The whole purpose of this avataram was to remove Bali's pride. So Darpa Uchittaihi means to completely remove the pride of Mahabali. Bihitam Akilam. All these things happened. This all was enacted to remove the pride of Bali. So he says, Siddhaha Punyehi. So the Bali has done a lot of good deeds, right? So he says, because of all these good deeds, you are truly blessed, right? Siddhaha Punyehi. So he now goes to Lokatehe. So he now goes to Sutala Loka, Tridiva Vijayi. So he says, you be superior, right? May it be even superior. The Loka that he goes to, Sutala Loka, which is one of the Atala, Sutala, Patala, and the lower levels. He goes to Sutala Loka and says, Tridiva Vijayi. So may that land that you go to become even greater than or even better than the Swarga or heaven. And Paschat, afterwards, which means in the next Manvantara, Vasavatvam. So you will now get the role of Indra in the next Manvantara, right? So, and then Punaha Mat Sayujyam. So after you become Indra in the next Manvantara, you will then attain union with me. So thus the Lord comes and Anugrinna Balim. So the God then goes and blesses Bali, and then Santanita Makavaraha. So along with all the priests who are there, the Ashwamedha Yaga itself gets completed. Pahi Vatala Esha, O Lord of Guruvayur, protect me. So essentially there's a story behind this, right? So when the Lord finally keeps the feet on Bali's head, so Bali then goes into the Sutala Loka. He goes to the Sutala Loka. And when he goes there, but he's also done a lot of good deeds. So he says, the God asks, what do you want, right? What is your desire? So he says, I always want you to be with me. So when he goes to Sutala Loka to rule, the God then becomes a gatekeeper in Bali's kingdom, right? So adukapra new story which is, this is not in Narayaniyam, but this is a story, is that Lakshmi Devi then goes to Sutala Loka, right? And then goes to Bali and then goes and says that I need help, right? Can you be my brother and then kind of give me shelter? And Bali says absolutely. And then Lakshmi Devi resides in Sutala Loka, because of which Sutala Loka becomes very prosperous, right? And that becomes even better. And then one day Bali asks Lakshmi Devi, what do you want? And she says, I want you to release my husband. So he says, who is your husband? He says, the person who's guarding your Sutala Loka is my husband. So and then Bhagavan and Lakshmi Devi can go back, right? So that is another backstory to this. But essentially, that Loka becomes very rich, and then Bali then becomes the next Indra, and then eventually he attains salvation, right? So that's the kind of the Vamana. Bali is a good person in general. So, Anjanu Raj.
And also, I think in the Onam festival, Bali வந்து visit பண்றாரு அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு they celebrate it. Kerala. I don't know if I'm right. Chethi can,
ஆமா கரெக்ட் கரெக்ட்
Yeah. So அதுதான் அது.
அவர் வந்து அவர் கேட்பார் இல்லையா அவனுக்கு என்ன வேணும் அப்படின்னு சோ
வருஷத்துக்கு ஒரு தடவை நான் வந்து என்னோட ஜனங்களா பார்க்கணும்.
He gets a boon.
He gets a boon, yeah.
From the Lord,
yeah. So in the Kadasi stanza, so Darpochityai Vihitam Akilam, comma, Daitya Siddhosi Punyaihi. So next to the locus stays or irrukum, so you can strike that and make it a visarga in Punyaihi. Next line, locus stays to Tridiva Vijayi. Locus stays to Tridiva Vijayi, comma, Vasavatvam cha paschat. Okay. So Darpo Chityai Vihitam Akilam Daitya Siddhosi Punyaihi Lokastestu Tridiva Vijayi Vasavatvam cha paschat.
Darpochityai vihitam akhilam daitya siddhosi punyaihi lokastestu tridiva vijayi vasavatvam cha paschat. Darpochityai vihitam akhilam daitya siddhosi punyaihi lokastestu tridiva vijayi vasavatvam cha paschat.
Darpochityai Vihitamakilam Daitya Siddhosi Punyaihi Lokastestu Tridiva Vijayi Vasavatvam cha paschat. Darpochityai Vihitamakilam Daitya Siddhosi Punyaihi Lokastestu Tridiva Vijayi Vasavatvam cha paschat.
Next line, Matsayujyam Bhajasa Punar Bhajacha Matsayujyam Bhajacha. No stop in that line. Punar Ityanva Grinna. Punar Ityanva Grinna Balimtham. It's a continuous line, but I'm just breaking it. Punar Ityanva Grinna Balimtham, comma, Viprais Santanitam Akavaraha. Viprais Santanitam Akavaraha, comma, Pahivathalayesha. So Matsayujyam Bhajasa Punarit Yanva Grinna Bhalimtham, comma, Viprai Santanitam Akavaraha, comma, Pahivathalayesha. So Matsayujyam Bhajasa Punarit Yanva Grinna Bhalimtham Viprai Santanitam Akavaraha Pahivathalayesha.
Matsayujyam bhajacha punarityanva grinna balintvam balintam viprai santanitham niitam akhavarah pahivathalayesha. Matsayujyam bhajacha punarityanva Matsayujyam bhajacha punarityanva grinna balintam viprai santanitam akhavarah pahivathalayesha.
Matsayujyam Bhajacha Punarityan Vakrina Balimtam.
Okay, start. No, breaking up. Starting with children.
Matsayujyam Bhajacha Punarityan Vakrina Balimtam.
No. Punar. Okay, Punar It Yanva Grinna. Punar It Yanva Grinna.
मत्सायुज्यं भज च पुनरित्यन्वगृह्णा बलिं तं विप्रैसन्ता नितमकवर पाहि वातालयेश मत्सायुज्यं भज च पुनरित्यन्वगृह्णा बलिं तं विप्रैसन्ता नितमकवर पाहि वातालयेश.
Santanita Maka Varaha. So you have to say that ha there after Maka Varaha. Okay. So Shri Krishnaya Parabhrahmane Namaha. So that completes the Vamana Avataram, chapters 30 and 31. Right. So we'll finish the class here. So next class we'll do Matsya Avataram, which is chapter 32. So that should go pretty fast. So we should be able to complete that chapter, and then adukapram will be 2 chapters of Rama Avataram, which are a little bit tough chapters. Matsya Avataram is easy, relatively easy chapter.
Is it 32? The chapter is long or something?
Long.
10 தான இருக்கு.
10 தான் இருக்கு. It's a small chapter. It's a pretty straight, simple chapter. Raj?
ராஜேஷ், அந்த பலியை வந்து பாதாளத்துக்கு அனுப்புறாரு இல்லையா? தட்ஸ் த டே. கார்த்திகைக்கு அப்புறம் கார்த்திகை நம்ம கொண்டாடும் பொழுது வைஷ்ணவேட்ஸும் கொண்டாடுவா கார்த்திகையை. நம்ம வந்து சிவனுக்காக கொண்டாடுவோம் சொக்கப்பனை எல்லாம். பலிய பாதாளத்துக்கு அனுப்பினதுக்காக வைஷ்ணவேட்ஸ் எல்லாம் வந்து அன்னைக்கு கார்த்திகை தீபம் அந்த கார்த்திகை மறுநாள் கொண்டாடுவோம். அதனாலதான் வைஷ்ணவி டெம்பிள்லயும் செலிப்ரேஷன்ஸ் இருக்கும், வெண்ணத்தாழி இருக்கு. பலிய பாதாளம் அனுப்பினால் வந்து கொண்டாடணும்னு அவங்க கேட்டுன்றதுனால எல்லாரும் தீபம் ஏத்தி நரகாசுரன் நம்ம தீபாவளி கொண்டாடுற மாதிரி மகாபலி போனதுக்கு அந்த இது.
அதே மாதிரி another connected story எப்படின்னாக்கா அன்னைக்குதான் இந்த ரக்ஷா பந்தன் வருது நார்த் இந்தியால. So another reason for that they're saying is because the Lakshmi Devi went down to the Loka, and then Bali treated her like a sister, and then because she said I need help, I need protection, so Bali protected her, right? So another the Raksha Bandhan, that's another thing. It's all comes around the same time தானே. ஓணம் டைம்ல தான் வரும் எல்லாமே. இந்த
ஆகஸ்ட்ல வரும் ரக்ஷா பந்தன்.
ஆமா,
கரெக்ட். பௌர்ணமி என்னைக்கு வரும்?
கார்த்திகை நவம்பர்லனா வரும்.
அதான் டிசம்பர்ல தானே வரும். நவம்பர் டிசம்பர். நானும் அதான் யோசிச்சேன், என்னடா கார்த்திகை நவம்பர் டிசம்பர் அப்பதானே வரும். இதெல்லாம்
happened in different years.
இல்ல
நவம்பர்ல முதல்ல முடிஞ்சிடுச்சு, அப்புறம் அடுத்த ஆகஸ்ட்ல தான் இதெல்லாம்.
அடுத்த ஆகஸ்ட்.
பாபன ஜெயந்தி ஆகஸ்ட்ல நடந்தது. மகாபலியோட மோஷம் வந்து கார்த்திகை தீபத்துல நடந்தது. அப்படி வச்சுக்கணும். அண்ட் ஆல்சோ நம்மளோட டைமும் தேவர்களோட டைமும் several times bigger. லைக் ஒரு பூச்சிக்கு ஒரு நைட்ல வாழற விட்டில் பூச்சிக்கு that is its whole lifetime. When it thinks about us, it will be thinking நம்மளாம் so many thousand years of விட்டில் பூச்சியோட லைஃப் நம்ம இருக்கோம். அந்த மாதிரி நம்மளோட தேவர்களோட டைம் அந்த மாதிரி. ஸோ அவர் கார்த்தால நரசிம்மர் அவதரிச்சு சாயங்காலம் இரண்யகசிபை கொண்டாருன்னா that is equivalent to so many 100,000 years for us. நம்மளோட கணக்குல மனுஷன். அதனால ஆகஸ்ட்ல வருது அவரோட ஜெயந்தி. கார்த்திகையில அவருக்கு மகாபலிக்கு மோஷம் கிடைக்கிறதாக சொல்லுவாங்க.
அடுத்த வருஷம் தான் நடந்தது சத்யா, அது டோன்ட் வரி.
ஆமா, அதான் உமா சொல்ற மாதிரி அந்த லட்சுமி தேவி கீழே போனது must have been the next year, right?
next year. அதுக்கப்புறம் தான் அவர் மேல வந்தார் இந்த கோணத்தும் போது.
இல்ல ஆக்சுவலி சுந்தரகாண்டம்லயும் இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு ரைட் அந்த இயர்ஸ் வாட் தே சே அந்த யோஜனாஸ் or something அவ கால்குலேட் பண்றதும் அவ போடுற அந்த யோஜனாவும் கம்ப்ளீட்லி டிஃபரெண்ட். ஸோ அது கணக்கே வந்து மேபி இட் ஸ்ட்ரங்க். அவர் வந்து அங்கேருந்து அதை தூக்கிட்டு வந்ததுனால அதனால ஸ்ட்ரங்க் ஆயிடுத்தார் என்னன்னு தெரியாத மாதிரி. மேபி லைக் ராஜ் சொல்ற மாதிரி the calculation could be நம்ம calculation our calculation are different.
Exactly. Okay, so with that we'll end today's सान्ध्रानन्दावबोधात्मकमनुपमिदं कालदेशावदेभ्यां निर्मुक्तं नित्यमुक्तं निगमशतसहस्रेण निर्भास्यमाहम् अस्पष्टं दृष्टमात्रे पुनरुरुपुरुषातात्मकं ब्रह्मतत्त्वं तत्ताभद्भाति साक्षात् गुरुभवनपुरे हन्त भाग्यं जनाः कायेन वाचा मनसेन्द्रियैर्वा बुद्ध्यात्मना वा प्रकृते स्वभावात् करोमि यद्यत् सकलं परस्मै नारायणायेति समर्पयामि.
ஒரு சுவாமி பிரத்யோபகானந்தா அவர் வந்து சாப்தாகம்